Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome, everyone, on our weekly departmental presentation on Tuesday Club. Today, the presentation will be delivered by Dr. Wasim Akram, who is a PG of second year, and he will deliver the lecture on Hawaii Mohit. So please welcome Dr. Wasim Akram.
Thank you, Dr. Maskur. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Dr. Wasim Akram, PG scholar, Department of Tawfuji and Samajiti, Government TB College and Hospital, Patna. Today, my presentation topic is ambient air. This presentation prepared under supervision of Dr. M.D. Tanveer Alam, Sir HOD, Department of Tawfuji and Samajiti, Government TB College and Hospital, Patna. These are my contents. Relation of air with asbab sita jaruria, definition of air, importance of air, composition of air, quantitative change of air and their effect, various oxygen level and its effect, types of air, Hawaii Jadud Johar, change in the air, तगरात फसलिया, तगरात गैर तबिया गैर मुजादा और गैर तबिया मुजादा, disease due to तगरात कैफी, disease due to तगरात ज्वारी, air pollution, adverse effects of air pollution, indicator of air pollution, global effect of air pollution, prevention and control of air pollution, ideal house and ventilation. Let's start. Asbab sitta jaruria in air. According to Unani system of medicine, there are 6 essential factors for life, which is called asbab sitta jaruria, and ambient air is one of them. Air has got first priority over all the 6 essential factors. Without air, we cannot imagine existence of life. Asbab means cause, sitta means 6 और जरूरिया essential. इसके synonyms असबाब सित्ता जरूरिया उमूर गैर तबिया, synonyms उमूर गैर तबिया, definition of air. The immediate environment of man comprises of all form of life depends upon it. A park. The most influential thing inside the body is air. It is very close to the body. The body does not need anything more than it must he. Air is an element for our body and soul, involved in structural content of both, which constantly supplied to the soul through respiration, ensure rectification, purification because of its elemental as well as qualitative property. It ensures equilibrium of soul. Ibn Sina. Importance of air. According to Unani philosophers, our body is made up of some elements which are four in number called Arkane Arba, and air is one of them. Air is a part of our ruh. Air performs the function of Tadile ruh at the time of inspiration by exchanging the air. Simultaneously, it also works Tankyai ruh at the time of expiration. All forms of life depends upon it. Air. Composition of air. According to Unani system of medicine, Hawaii Mohit of four types: Hawaii Basir, Ajay Maya, Ajay Arjia, Ajay Nadia. According to modern, nitrogen got 78% of atmospheric air, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.04%, other gases mostly argon 0.96%. Quantitative change of air and their effects. in environment, if nitrogen increases, causes disease like nitrogen necrosis. If oxygen increases, pulmonary toxicity, ocular toxicity, myopia, damage of cell membrane. Carbon dioxide, if increases, hypercapnia, headache, dizziness, restlessness, tingling, pain, needle feeling, difficulty breathing, increase heart rate, blood pressure, coma. If decreases, then nitrogen, if decrease, irritation in eyes, nose, throat, lungs, cough, flu, build up in the lungs. If oxygen decreases, then hypoxia, breathlessness, loss of consciousness, impairment, muscular coordination. If carbon dioxide decreases, causes weakness, dizziness, weight loss, dehydration. Various oxygen level and its effect. 23.5% oxygen level, then effect and symptoms. The maximum safe level 23.5% is maximum safe level. 21% typical O2 concentration in air. 19.5% minimum safe level. 15 to 19% first sign of hypoxia. 12 to 14% respiration further increase in rate and depth. Poor judgment, lips blue. 8 to 10% mental failure, fatigue, unconsciousness, blueness of lips, nausea, vomiting, inability to move freely. 4 to 6% coma in 40 seconds, convulsion, respiration, seize, death. Types of air. According to quality, there are two types of air, Hawaii Motadil and Hawaii Gair Motadil. Hawaii Motadil, this air is neither too hot, not too cold, neither too wet, not too dry. Example, air of spring. Hawaii Gair Motadil, this air will be excess in flowing kaf, kafiyat, Hawaii Har, Hawaii Barid, Hawaii Ratab, Hawaii Yabis. Hawaii Jadud Johar. Hawaii Jadud Johar is that type of air which is free from foreign body, dust particle, vapors. It should be open, not blocked by wall and ceiling. Characteristics of Hawaii Jadud Johar: it is clean, pure. It flow from high altitude to ground level. It should be open. This type of air should not be trapped in a pit, ditch. This type of air gets warm after sunrise, cool down after sunset. This type of air should not get mixed with rotten and smelly air, easy to breathe. Change in air, तगुराते हवा, are of two types, तगुराते गैर तबिया, तगुराते तबिया. तगुराते तबिया means तगुराते फसलिया यानी सीजनल चेंज, और तगुराते गैर तबिया मीन्स तगुराते गैर तबिया ऑफ टू टाइप्स. तगुराते गैर तबिया मुजादा, तगुराते गैर तबिया गैर मुजादा. तगुराते गैर तबिया मुजादा हैव ऑल्सो टू टाइप्स, तगुराते कैफी, तगुराते जोहरी. Seasonal change. There are four types of seasons: summer seasons, autumn seasons, winter season, spring seasons. Summer seasons, mizaj, har and yabis. Disease in summer seasons, conjunctivitis, smallpox, measles, ascites, dysentery. In autumn season, mizaj will be hard and ratab. Disease in autumn season, pruritus, ringworm, arthritis, dripping of urine, etc. In winter season, mizaj of winter season, barid and yabis, disease हो जाता have two main factors, sky factors and earth factors. Sky factors have stars and solar systems, and earth factors have high and low altitude, hills, sea, direction of wind. तगराते गैर तबिया मुजादा have two types, तगराते कैफी और तगराते जोहरी. तगराते कैफी change in air as हरारत व बरूदत and रतूबत व यबूसत. तगराते जोहरी change in जोहरे हवा by mixing of gas, water, water vapor, dust, pathogens, vegetable debris. Disease due to तगराते कैफी. If hararat and yabusat increase in air, then disease causes ramad yabis, chronic fever, basure safravi, measles, chicken pox. If hararat and ratubat increase in air, disease causes running nose, cough, hoarseness of voice, corn disease, infectious disease, scabies, pruritus, ringworm. If barudat and ratubat increase in air, then disease causes running nose, flu, pleurisy, pneumonia, arthritis. If barudat and yabusat increase in air, disease causes running nose, cough, tonsillitis, hoarseness of voice, pneumonia, etc. Disease due to tagarate johari, due to gaseous change in quantity of various gas in air. Disease causes gas poisoning, chronic bronchitis, asthma, COPD, cardiovascular disease, lungs cancer, leukemia, anemia, etc. Dust disease causes due to dust. Dust have two types: dust, inorganic dust or organic dust. Inorganic coal dust causes anthracosis, silica dust causes silicosis, asbestos causes asbestosis, lungs cancer. Iron causes cirrhosis. Organic cane fiber causes begosis, cotton dust bisonosis, tobacco tobaccosis, hair grain dust farmer lung. Air pollution. Air pollution is contamination of the indoor outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, biological that modifies the natural characteristics of atmosphere. Air pollutants have two types: chemical and biological. Chemicals included gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. Particulate matter like dust, smoke, scent, etc. Metals, arsenic, beryllium, copper, zinc, lead, etc. Non metals cotton, jute, sugarcane, etc. Biologic, biological microbes, spore, the, the combined effect of ambient air pollution and household air pollution are associated with 6.7 million premature deaths annually. Ambient air pollution is estimated to have caused 4.2 million premature deaths worldwide in 2019. Some 89% of those premature deaths occur in low and middle income countries, and the greatest number in the WHO Southeast Asia and Western Pacific region. WHO estimates that in 2019, some 37% of outdoor air pollution related premature deaths were due to ischemic heart disease and stroke. 80 and 23% of deaths were due to chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and acute lower respiratory infection, respectively, and 11% of deaths were due to cancer within the respiratory tract. Major air pollutant ozone, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, lead, particulate matter, volatile organic compound, chlorofluorocarbon. Adverse effect of air pollution. Adverse effect of air pollution have two types effect, acute and chronic. Acute effect includes headache, vertigo, nausea, vomiting, and acute bronchitis, immediate death by suffocation. Death may occur in extreme gases like Bhopal gas tragedy. Chronic chronic bronchitis, asthma, COPD, cardiovascular disease, lung cancer, and leukemia, emphysema, respiratory allergies. Indicators of air pollution: sulfur dioxide, smoke index, suspended particle, air pollution index, coefficient of Hess, other parameters like lead, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Global effect of air pollution. Global effect: global warming, increased dryness in climate, reduction in world food production, melting of polar ice caps, increase in sea level, smoke formation, increased chance of skin cancer and cataract. Smoke, Mouse Valley disaster, Belgium, in December 1930, lasted for 5 days, killed 63 people. Donara disaster in 1948 killed 20 people, 100 gets affected. London disaster in 1952 killed more than 4,000 people. Effect of depletion ozone shield: inhibition of photosynthesis, retardation of plant growth, impairment of human immune mechanism, ocular damage like cataract, skin cancer. Acid rain: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, the world worst industrial disaster, methyl isocyanate, 3,787 killed, 5,74,366 injured. Miscellaneous hazard, damage of building metals, alloys, rubber, etc. Prevention and control air pollution. At the government level, setting up laboratories for continuous monitoring of the level of pollution in air, development and enforcement of law for prevention air pollution, encouraging the use of CNG and LPG gases, regular pollution under control checking and certificate of vehicle, regular checking of pollution control measure in the factories, health education of the pollution through ICE program on air pollution, setting up the Central Pollution Control Board by Government of India. At the level of industries, factories, various engineering measures are to be enforced by the industry to reduce release of toxic gas, particulate matter into the environment. At the level of individual and small communities, avoiding burning of firewood, coke, and using LPG instead, getting the vehicle regular check for PUC, getting automobile convert to CNG from diesel and petrol, avoiding the use of air conditioner whenever possible by using fan instead, avoiding the use of firecracker, using water-based paint instead of varnishes, stopping tobacco smoking, airborne disease included influenza caused by influenza virus, tuberculosis caused by bacterium Mycobacteria, tuberculosis, measles caused by measles virus, mumps virus, chicken pox caused by varicella zoster virus, common cold caused by various viruses including rhinovirus, COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus, ischemic heart disease and stroke, acute lower respiratory infection, COPD, chronic bronchitis, asthma, respiratory allergy, lungs cancer, etc. caused by air pollution. How to airborne disease spread in the form of droplet, droplet nuclei, droplet and direct contact. Measurement of airborne disease. Sanitization of surroundings. Before the era of chemical-based air purifier, Unani physicians employed medicinal herbs as decoction, distillate for spray, or as fumigate to keep the air free of contaminants. Homes should be sprayed with dilute vinegar to keep the air clean. According to Zakaria Raji, some aromatic drug can destroy infectious agents and should be used as fumigant. For instance, amber, loban, sandalwood, jaffran, abnus, mastagi, musk, iskar, abhal, zanjabil, sibr, olive gum, etc. are used. If the air smell foul, the fumigation with sandal and camphor, fumigation with herb like kust, kundur, oud, more is also advisable. General measure: stay in well ventilated place, reduce the chance of contracting the infection. Raji advice of avoiding airflow from the patient to healthy person is remarkable. For this purpose, the patient should face away from healthy people while coughing, sneezing, talking, wearing antibacterial masks, face masks, wash hand properly, cover face while sneezing. Ideal house. The door of house should be open from north or east direction. Sunlight should be enter in maximum part of house. Height of the roof should be proper. Ventilation of house should be white. The northern house is healthier than eastern, then western, and last one southern. Mizaj of house. West direction, west direction house of Mizaj Sardar, east direction Mizaj Garm Khush, south direction Garm Tar, north direction Sard Khush. Standard of ventilation. Fresh air supply according to D. Chont has recommended 3,000 cubic feet of fresh air per hour per person based on a point that a person entering a room from outside should not perceive any smell or stuffiness. The amount of fresh of room calculated by formula D is equal to E divided by P, where it, where is D is fresh air that should be believed to room, E is equal to carbon dioxide exhaled per hour per person, P is equal to limit of respiratory carbon dioxide per cubic feet of air. Therefore, D is equal to 3,000 air changes for a person to get 3,000 cubic feet of air per hour. Floor area per person 50 to 100 square feet, less than 50 square feet overcrowding. For general hospital, it should be 150 square feet, or infectious disease hospital, it should be 200 square feet per person. Thank you. Recording.